Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of the Airpods second generation. So I have the first generation of Apple Airpods, so we can also do comparison between the first one and second. So here is the box. Looks like this. Here. And I've got them at Best Buy on Black Friday sale. I think it was 200. So this is how the box on the back look like. And here front, and let's open it. By ripping these small stripes. And now, ta-da! Here it is. Here are some instructions. Here is Apple iPod 2. Here is the cable, charging cable. Here are those inserts for AirPods, because they are in few sizes. Oh, these ones have one more. So we have large, small, and X small. Previous ones didn't have X small. I will keep medium and see if I like them. If not, I will have them change to small. Here are Airpods. Let's open it. Where this. Here it is. Looks like this. Back looks like this. Front looks like this. And they are charged. Oh, and white. Show up white from the hour and this one. The size is the same. Back looks the same, but these ones have this loop here. Two things to put loop that you can carry one by it. And oh, and back looks different. I mean bottom. This one has, I think, here it has hole and 3 holes, which might be microphone. But let me see in the instruction what it says. Size. This is the right one. Let's see how all the ones looks. The same. So the shape is the same, just actually I see difference. These ones have some here additional. These ones have only one and these ones have 2 black holes, black pinks. I see. So very slight difference. And also the difference now is that when you press and hold on these new ones, you switch between active noise cancelling and the transparency mode, and also you can swipe up or down here on this thing to adjust the volume here, and on all the ones you cannot. I mean, you swipe and nothing happens, and here you swipe up or down and it adjusts volume. So yeah, that's really nice. So I will now maybe connect them to my computer to see difference. This is right. Oh, so I have to be this way. Oh, we have to be in case to be connected. Forgot. Okay, so I now try to connect to my computer. Oh, I see them. Connect. Let's take them off and put on. Let's go to music. I don't know if I see the big difference between other ones too. So these ones, when I took off, the music didn't stop, and other ones, when I take off, the music stop. Yes, when I press longer, it change the mode, and also when you swipe up and down, it change the sound, but it's not super fragile on it, responsive. And I would say also that I don't see the big difference of the music quality. So if you still have the first generation, maybe it's just good to buy them as a second pair, because I bought them for that reason. This one is discharged, and I have to wait 15 minutes or more to charge, and then I will have additional pair to just listen what I like. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Unbox. If I see more differences, then I will update video. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.